Magandang hapon po ng March 19, 2024 Tuesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng March 19, 2024 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Tuesday, March 19, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 60 Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for March 19, 2024, Tuesday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 is 63 million pesos. Ultra Lotto 658 jackpot price estimates is 49.5 million pesos. And Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 13 million pesos for March 19, 2024, Tuesday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for March 19, 2024, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.